What if I told you in just 1 month, I ate some of the best food Jamaica has to offer? Curry conch pot roast pork with spicy escovitch sauce, the best Chinese food in Montego Bay, brown stew chicken with fried dumplings, saltfish and okra with grown provisions, authentic jerk chicken, crispy fried chicken, rich curry seafood, roast breadfruit straight from the fire, guys, and that's just the beginning. Today, I'm taking you on the ultimate food tour. Let's eat.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fist style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a versatile.
Alright, that good.
On October 28, 2025, Hurricane Melissa devastated Jamaica. But your government is mobilizing, reaching Africa.
I just catch up on here now, you know?
And rebuilding together.
You don't always have to go to an expensive restaurant to find amazing food in Jamaica. Some of the best meals come from small roadside spots that locals have been supporting for years. Oh yes, people, beautiful people. This is the jerk chicken we just stopped and picked up, right? Yeah, man. All right, so they serve the jerk chicken with hardware bread, ketchup, and some jerk sauce. You know, back in the days, there was never a thing such as jerk sauce. It used to be the ketchup and pepper sauce on the jerk chicken, and that's it. They never used to use jerk sauce back then. Oh my God. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry or the chicken is good. But it's good. Big up the jerk man down the road there, so. On the strip down at Green Island, yeah, man. Big up yourself. Oh my God. It is good. Yes, people, if you want some good jerk chicken, just come to Jamaica. Not everywhere in Jamaica sell good jerk chicken, you know, don't get me wrong. You know, I'm being totally honest with you. Not everywhere, not every jerk spot you go to is gonna be good. But majority of the spots, you're gonna find good jerk chicken. Flavorful, spicy, done right, slow grill, on the charcoal grill. You understand? Yeah, man. But we're moving on to the next stop, and that's gonna be the beach. Hopefully we don't have any more stops before we get there, but we're heading to the beach right now, guys, so let's go. Yeah, man, so today we decided to stop down by sweet spot down in a Negril. Is it on right on the 7 mile stretch, on the 7 mile beach, you know? Yeah. So DeAndre decided to get some porridge, cornmeal porridge, brown stew chicken with grown provision. Me decided to get the same brown stew chicken, but I'm gonna get some fried dumpling with it. And Jaden, we gotta get saltfish and okra. Jaden got the saltfish and okra, so we are waiting for that to come to the table. But right now, I'm gonna take a sample of the porridge. I'm showing you the porridge. So this is the cornmeal porridge, guys. Them say nice, you know. So I'm gonna take a little sip right now and make you know what we are dealing with. All right, it's hot, you know. So I'm better careful. It's not too sweet, not too fresh, just right. Only thing missing right now, some hardware bread for dip inside that. Alright guys, so this is the brown stew chicken. This is my brown stew chicken with the dumpling, fried dumpling. Over here, so we have the steam okra with saltfish, yellow yam, well no, not yellow yam, sweet potato. You have 2 different types of dumpling, cornmeal, regular dumpling. Oh, and you have the fried dumpling. DeAndre over there so have the same thing, you know, brown stew chicken. Taste the fried dumpling with a little bit of the gravy. The dumpling is dumpling, you know. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. You know? This is the perfect texture. This is the brown stew chicken. Yeah, man. And this is my drinks right here. This is cucumber or cucumber. This is nice, man. Cucumber juice. This is freshly made in house. You know, made from scratch. This is really nice, refreshing. You know, like a hot sunny morning like this, like today, this is what you need. You don't need no beer, you don't need no liquor, none of that stuff. The dumpling is good. The brown stew chicken is not spicy or anything like that. You know, you gotta add to some type of pepper sauce or some country pepper on the side or something like that, you know. But overall, it's bussin', it's good. Next, we're heading over to Montego Bay in search of what many locals say is some of the best Chinese food in Jamaica. My wife said Jamaican Chinese food is the best, and I didn't really believe her at first, but you know, I wasn't sure what to expect, but from the very first bite, guys, I understood the hype. Yeah, the portion is humongous. The chicken was perfectly seasoned, the fried rice was packed with flavor, and everything tasted fresh and made to order. As someone who's eaten plenty of Chinese food in the US, I have to say Jamaican Chinese food just hit differently, guys. The flavors are bolder, the portions are more generous, you know, and every bite keeps, you know, you coming back for more. If you're ever in Montego Bay, over by Fairview, this is definitely a spot for you. First bite.
Over the bigger than the coconut. No, compared to one
These wings are good. It's lightly seasoned. It's not like too, you know, like tossing that Cajun seasoning dry rub. So this is not a wet batter. This is not a wet batter type of sauce, not a wet toss sauce. It's more of a dry rub. But they first deep fried the wings like French fries, you know. I'm gonna try this one because this one is more seasoning, more dry rub seasoning. No, I'm tasting that Cajun flavor. It's not spicy though. Not spicy. So this is the calamari. Let's take a bite. The calamari is not overly seasoned or anything. It's lightly seasoned, like maybe with salt and pepper. I don't know exactly the type of season that they use, but it's good. And this spot, guys, the Boardwalk restaurant is right on the 7 Mile beach, right? Huh? 7 Mile, yeah. 7 Mile beach, Norman Manley Highway, or Boulevard. Yeah, so come definitely check them out, man. Definitely check them out. You know, tell them Keegan sent you. Alright guys, so next up is the conch soup. You know, when it comes to soup, seafood soup, I'm that guy. I'm the guru. Yeah man, so the conch soup right now, guys, it come with some small chop, you know, ground provision inside of it. You know, you have a carrot, fresh carrot. It's not too soft and it's not too, you know, crunchy. It's right in between. You have a yam, a little bit of everything, and it's a lot of conch. Look at this, guys. A lot of conch in it. Yeah. And the flavor on this, flavor in the conch, is good. The soup is good, guys. Well seasoned. And it has a little spicy kick to it. You know, when it comes to seafood, you always got to add that. You don't have to, but when it comes to the Caribbean style of cooking, you got to add your pepper. You know, Scotch bonnet pepper for the Jamaican style. Yeah. Yeah, so with this conch soup, guys, you know, the conch soup right here, they serve it with grilled bread, hard dough bread, instead of crackers. You know, in the US, in the United States, at least in Florida and most places, at most other states that I've been to, they serve it with crackers. Even if you go to like Chick-fil-A and those restaurants, and you order chicken soup, they give you crackers with it. But here at the boardwalk, this is what they give, you know, which is good. You can add it to your soup like this. Look, just dip it in. And enjoy it. Real old school, you know?
You know, Jamaican do that bread and,
This is like bread and soup, bread and porridge, crackers and porridge. Pretty much the same thing, same concept. But right now, we're waiting on our entree. No, waiting on the entree right now. I ordered jerk pork or a roast pork. Deandra ordered roast pork. You know, Cherish and Divine, they order jerk chicken. That's it. Huh? Shrimp and shrimp, yeah. And jerk shrimp. I wanted to get some jerk chicken, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until probably tomorrow. I'll order some jerk chicken and let y'all see. It's not gonna be here though. It's gonna be at a different spot because I'm trying to try multiple places at the same time. So, you know? Yes, people. So I ordered a jerk pork. This is it. And I'm about to find out how it is.
Enough fish here with it, sorry. Make you one of my shrimp then.
Wow.
You can get some more veg. I like my veg, so make you more veg.
The first bite.
No.
The first bite
Like
just did something to me, guys. This is amazing. Wow.
The cat of the grandma. No. I'm eating though. You come back. Well, not come back.
Wow, the pork.
All right.
It's super good. It's spicy. They added the pickled, you know, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and everything on top of it. This is like well put together. Like I can't ask for much more. And the pork is like super tender. It's not chewy. The festival is good. I'm just not a fan of festival, but it's good.
Eh? Did you hear him? No, I said keep cool.
Yeah, all right, keep cool.
That's what your heart make you keep cool.
And this is the jerk sauce right here.
Wait. No, you're not getting none of the drink.
All right.
Just give it. Bye.
Let me dip the pork inside of it and see how it is.
I like it. Still good.
The sauce, the jerk sauce, is a little bit above the mild side. It's not too mild and it's not too spicy. It's just in between. But this is how I like my pork. Pepper. Our next stop takes us up in the hills of Hanover to the community of Haughton Court, a place that's very close to my heart because this is where I grew up. It's nestled right alongside Kingsvale, Ginger Hill, and Riverside, and coming back here always brings back so many memories. This time, guys, the community came together for a local party with great music, great people, and of course, plenty of amazing Jamaican, delicious food, you know? Mouth-watering type of food. There's always something special about coming back home, guys. Sharing a meal with familiar faces and experiencing the strong sense of community that makes places like Haughton Court so unforgettable.
So right now, we're about to put in the fried chicken in the aisle, you see me I say? And then once that finished frying, we're going to put it somewhere else and start, serve the food and all that good stuff. But we're still in the preparation phase. Most of the food already cooked on now. Everything cooked on already. We have like, how much that's up there, so? Fried chicken gone in. You can't go on, man. Good.
So first up was the crispy fried chicken, perfectly seasoned, juicy on the inside and fried just right. Then there was the roast breadfruit, cooked over open fire, giving it that smoky flavor you just can't replicate anywhere else. And to top it off, guys, I had a bowl of rich, flavorful curry seafood. Every bite was packed with authentic Jamaican spices, and it's easily one of my favorite dishes whenever I'm back home. You know, big up yourself, Charlotte, Mama Sa. Yeah, man, so you know, if you make it the real way, the real deal. Yeah, man, curry seafood.
And you road then left one.
Yes, guys, so we'll start off the morning, you know, by taking care of business. You already know that, right? And we have some seafood soup, yes, so everything in it.
You want to put the pan?
Seafood, no, fish tea,
Fish soup.
fish, a soup, you know, fish soup.
The tea light
Tea. Okay, so this is the soup we are dealing with. And the bud, pepper and nice, just the way me like it. And the roast, pot roast, they go on, how?
Pork. Pot roast pork.
Pot roast pork, exactly. You got a menu me about pot roast pork. See it, yeah? What in the next pot?
Porridge.
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 Plant the porridge in Orlando.
Plant porridge, more than that too. More
Yeah.
everything. Porridge.
Plant the
I need a
porridge.
small cup of that. What's in it? Open up that one there, please.
More pork.
That is soup.
Oh, the soup.
Right here, people.
So that's the soup.
Soup. I just had it. Delicious. See? Let this up. Hold on.
Yeah, man. Everything so far I'm gonna try, people.
Guys,
Nice.
pork and soup.
So we're gonna try the pork, you know.
Pork.
You see it and make you know what going with the
Right
pork.
at the roadside.
Yeah, man. If you're in a Hanover, you see it up in the hills of Kingsvale. You know, to the right before you reach the Kingsvale round about the crossroad. Yeah, man. Check her
Oh,
out.
everything that I eat.
Oh my God, what is that? Yes, guys, the real pot roast, you know, and a jerk. But so you have the onion and scotch bonnet pepper them. You see it. This is breakfast, guys.
You pickle the onion them. So no vinegar in the pan.
Let me put the fire in there.
So this is the roast pork, guys. Yeah, man. Me I order half pound night right now. I'm a pork eater, you know. I love pork. So that way I deal with it right now.
Yes, man. Planting porridge, man.
Porridge, but
Fish soup.
anything one can soup, you know. I want it. Cause we don't know if we eat what we're growing, so.
I'll give the Rasta boy beside pork.
You give too much pepper?
No, that's lovely. That's lovely. Yes, people. So, see all of the pepper on them something there? Yeah.
Sweet, not true. You can't put it on, Marco.
No. Yo.
You sell juice too?
They might drink here.
What is that?
Chicken,
Yeah, drink them out.
Get one padlock for the fridge. But you go get one.
Yeah,
different
you can't use plastic pot with them pork. You have to use the hand and, you know, digging it.
Hello. Everything.
You want saltfish?
Everything.
Nice.
It's porridge.
Yeah, fried festival.
I almost, we should have get one big.
You know, oh.
This is real good.
Festival already, you know. Funny time.
Oh, chicken they cook porridge.
A festival, me ask her.
You only have to have it. Let me ask them why you cook from
And make sure you wash your hands.
me. When you cook me in my bed. Who that sound like?
Cheers.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when me tease. Why? Yeah.
What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. So today we are at this beautiful waterfront restaurant and bar here in Hanover, right down by, I believe it's Mosquito Cove. Yeah, man. So if you're coming from Montego Bay, it's going to be on the right hand side, and if you're coming from Lucy End, it's going to be on the left hand side. Yeah, man. And this is some goat soup right here. See it there? It is wicked amazing. The soup right here, guys, is like packed with a bunch of flavor. It's not spicy. you know, but they give you a little bit of everything in here, you know, banana, carrot, everything, you know, all the grown provisions you can think of. And trust me, you definitely need to try it. Prime time Lando, him just order some curry fish, you know, the fish that you get to choose your size fish that you want and the style. So I guess they could cook it any style. So he chose curry fish. All right. So once him get him order, we go find out what going on with it, see how it tastes. Cause no sample piece same way. I'm not really hungry, so I'm not really getting no food right now. So I just get a little something, you know. Yeah, man. So keep watching the vlog, guys.
Fries and wedges.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be coming to get one card from them.
Let me see your food.
Wait.
I don't want to know
Alright. Fried chicken looking active. Much try say a leg here.
You alright?
So I'll still leg me try.
No.
So see how me add a ball. Yeah?
That's a difference.
Here. One look. Alright, what's on? Jaden, let me taste one fried chicken. One look a piece more. Huh?
Here?
A spoon. A spoon.
You what? Yes.
Jerry, what you got?
Oh.
You see, I such a little
Chicken.
Whoa. What is Jaden?
Chicken look good still, I know.
Alright.
Give the people them, let them see what's in.
Alright, so Jaden ordered the fried chicken with curry gravy on the rice and peas with the fresh veg on the side. So I'm a food man and meat, you know, I love meat, so we'll find out.
Why?
Listen. We'll go find out right now. You know? Smell, I lick my finger already, people. Fried chicken active.
I'm not so hungry.
Yeah. Just gonna eat and done. Fried chicken nice.
Chef, hold the chicken.
Delicious. 10 out of 10 right now.
10 out of 10.
A1. Me not lie. Not because I'm there, but I serious something. Big up the chef in our back, man. Yeah, man. Definitely check out Waterfront Restaurant and Bar in a Mosquito Cove, Hanover. Close to Lucy. Yeah, man. So that's a go on, that's a go on. Yes, guys, this is the rum punch. And I take a little sip earlier from my wife, and I tell her, I love how them put the ginger in it and all of the other flavor in it. Refreshing, guys, I tell her. Yeah, man, we're still at the Waterfront place. So right now, I just drink and mix up everything together, you know. Everything I go to the same place, so why not? This is the bummy right here.
Waterfront.
Yeah.
Check out Hanover.
The hot. So this now, nice and hot, you know. You can mix this with the fried chicken, the curry fish, anything, any flavor, just add it to the bummy. And let me say, guys, most things are made to order, so have a little patience when you come, and you're good. So, how long have you been working here?
For 9 months.
9 months?
Yes.
Yeah, how do you like it so far?
It's good.
It's good?
You came after the hurricane then. After the hurricane.
So are you a bartender or a chef? Are you versatile? You do a little bit of everything and...
A little bit of everything. Bartender, waitress,
Yeah.
cashier.
And you like it so far? You love it so far?
Love it.
You love it? Everything good?
Yeah. Have great customers as well.
What your favorite dish on the menu and your favorite drinks? Like, what you recommend? Besides the rum punch, because I know say rum punch is good, you know.
Alright, so the best meal would be the oxtail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you ain't tell me about no oxtail, man.
Run the oxtail.
A joke. So oxtail.
I can't go till it tastes good, no, sir?
What about like the fish and all them, something there, and the fried chicken? Because,
Escovitch fish is good.
yeah, I personally, you choose a fish, you know?
And she give me curry fish.
Alright, escovitch fish is good, okay. You eat chicken? Or you don't eat meat?
I eat jerk chicken.
Oh,
I don't eat fried chicken.
oh.
Why not
So
fried
say
chicken?
you're too fancy for your fry? Okay.
But the jerk chicken has a nice flavor to it.
Yeah.
The jerk sauce and everything.
So y'all do it like authentic, like on the grill or on
On
the...
the grill.
Nice. If men don't have jerk chicken, I'm gonna add a piece long time.
It's on the menu.
But tell her what.
I wanted soup at first.
Can I still add that jerk
Oh,
chicken?
shit. Alright, you tell her what we'll do. Him don't do it. Mommy,
Alright. What's that? Oh my god!
I'm in the kitchen.
Yeah, play with the food, man.
Oh,
So.
God. You're too far. I can't catch it.
They do stush. All right. People, I'm just gonna tell you right now. The flavor of the bombing, delicious. That's all I taste, just the bombing. Look, let me set my camera right.
Guys, the carrot, potato,
What's that?
excellent.
Excellent. This is the chef.
Nice little spice pan it too.
We might have sampled my fish before.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. I just want a piece more, because you dropped the bami already.
Not true. I don't want to waste no more. Now.
So this rice I want.
But so far, the flavor is nice. Food is delicious. So far. Just the flavor.
Yo, it's not too pepper.
Mm-hmm.
It's not too spicy.
Just right.
Nice, so the vegetable pan it, or the carrot and the thing them.
Right.
Al dente, crunchy, perfectly cooked. Big up Nova.
Nova Scotia, big up yourself.
Shine bright like a diamond, you know?
Oh,
Yeah.
shine bright like a diamond.
The food nice, man. I like, and it's not too pepper for real. It's really good, real good.
Right
I love it.
You can trust him.
I really love it.
I'm gonna be honest. He don't like no food.
Next stop, we're heading up into the hills of Hanover to a community called Ginger Hill for a grave digging. If you're Jamaican, you already know, wherever there's a grave digging, there's always good food. I had some delicious escovitch saltfish, and what turned out to be some of the best fried chicken I ate on the entire trip. Simple, authentic, and full of flavor. Yes, people, so she deal with the saltfish. It's gonna be escovitch saltfish. She'll boil them first. How you deal with it? Tell us.
No, I will tell you how me deal.
No, don't tell them. Don't give away a secret ingredient.
Give away the secret, but I have to soak it first.
Yeah.
Then I have to scale it. So we have to scale it like how we scale fish.
Yeah.
Right, and then we fry it. After we fry it, then we escovitch our onion, pepper, and you can add a little cucumber, but not with the escovitch. Separate.
Yeah, they want love to it. All right, that's how it works.
Stand up in that one, yeah.
All right, that's how it works. Oh my God, guys. This is everything, guys. Mumasa Kitchen is the best kitchen in Hanover. Listen, the fried chicken just come out of the island hot, so I can't bite into it yet. But the escovitch saltfish, let me tell you about it. You can eat the saltfish and the carrot by itself. So it's like a carrot, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, you know, steamed down in that vinegar, salty sugar sauce. And then, you know, the saltfish is boiled just to remove some of that sauce, some of that saltiness. And then to deep fry it, like without the bread, you know. But you deep fry it, guys, and make it crispy. And now, this is it. You see that? And the fried chicken right is like crispy. KFC chicken have nothing on it, may I tell you right now. This chicken right now, you see any cook shop or street side fried chicken, KFC have nothing on it, may I tell you right now. That may I tell you. Whoa. Yes, guys, welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. In today's video, we are going to try out beer yamins and them curry conch. All right, me here say them have the best curry conch in a Lucy, in a Hanover, Jamaica. So today we decided to go, you know, swing by, pick up the food, and try it out. You know, so here it is. This is the conch, curry conch. See it there? It's not chewy, not tough, just right, nice and tender, you know, and the seasoning is like the right amount, guys, right amount, well balanced, and it's spicy. Not spicy where you can't eat it, but it's like the perfect spice. And I also order a side of the fresh veg. I didn't want any rice. Well, I'm not gonna lie, guys. This conch is everything. This is A1, A plus, guys. See there? If you're in the area, if you're living in Hanover, Lucy, to be exact, go on and try them out. If you've never tried them out before. If you tried them out already, go on and try them out again. Go on and try them out again because most of them food, you know, keep getting better and better, and it seems like it's true because every time I go, the food keep getting better and better. Wow. This is the conch soup that we order. The conch soup, they added coconut milk inside the conch soup. That's different. I've never had conch soup with coconut milk inside of it. And they add small chunks of like breadfruit, banana, pumpkin, you know, okra, a little bit of everything they add to it. The soup is very good. All right, back to the conch. The curry conch is everything. How's the stew beef, Deandra? Good? Let me be the judge of that. Well, by the looks of it, look guys, Deandra clean up our food already, you know. This is stew beef with rice and peas. Wow! Oh my God! This is it. Guys, the stew beef, wicked in a good way. If you're Jamaican, you know what that means too. Oh my God. Wow. Yes, guys, so the curry conch, you know, the stew beef that Deandra made me try, and the conch soup, everything that I tried was amazing. Like 10 out of 10, guys. Like 100 out of 10. It's that good. Trust me, and like I said, the name of the restaurant is Beer Niamins, and they are located in Copperwood, Lucy, Hanover. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so this is my drinks, my first drinks, you know, so far. Whoa, this is strong. This is the rum runner, all right? So, whenever you come to Best in the West and you want something strong, the rum runner is my choice. This is the best one right now. I chose the fried chicken. Deandra got some Barbie fry, and Jaden, he ordered the steamed conch. Yeah, man. So right now I'm hungry. I can't wait for them to bring the food to the table. Oh, and we also got some conch soup. So that we'll deal with right now. So just keep watching. Conch soup night. Yes, people, this is the fried chicken with rice and peas festival up on the side, and some fresh shredded cabbage and carrot Barbie fry over there. So yeah.
put the plate in the center and that, so see something not drain over.
No, do you know
I'm
what?
going to try that.
This curry come.
The beef curry.
This curry come.
It is curry.
Yes, people, the rice and peas, let me tell you, excellent. Flavorful. The fried chicken. 10 out of 10, guys. I'm speechless right now. 10 out of 10. Everything on the plate is like excellent. Can't complain, guys. I tell you. Definitely come check them out. Yeah. Yes, guys. Let me tell you, the food was amazing. Watch it. Look on the plate them. Plate them empty, man. Watch it. Empty. Empty. Yeah, man. We can't complain, guys. Can't complain. You know? Yes. Everything was like above my expectation. So, you know, the funny thing is, I was telling Deandra earlier, I was like, yo, let's go to Best in the West. And she was like, nah, I don't want to go there because them food not good on this one. I'm say, yo, listen, let's go try them out, go check them out because you already know. And she's like, you know, yeah. And she was like, all right, let's go to Best in the West. And we ended up coming here tonight, and the food basically put her to shame, you know, because it was that good. Yeah, man. So big up to the chef, them big up to the allied staff, them here at Best in the West. Big up on yourself. Food was amazing. Anyways, yeah. Alright, so we'll add a little bit of Sazon seasoning to the thing. You know how much I love my Sazon seasoning, you know? I just love the color and the flavor that it adds to the dish. We're gonna add a little bit of ginger powder. Not too much. A little bit. We're gonna save some for the sauce. Alright? We're gonna add fish seasoning. Some season up. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is just a different brand, but it's the same fish seasoning, all right? We're gonna add in a little bit of garlic, fresh garlic, some thyme, yeah, a little onion to season it up, a little scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna mix it up and add a little liquid to it real quick. So by adding the water to it, guys, it's just gonna allow the flour butter to stick to the fish, you know, and give it a nice crispy crust. So I'm just gonna let this marinate for about 10 minutes. You know, a fish, you don't really need that much time for you soaking, you know, for the season soaking. So just 10 minutes. Yeah, man, this is mainly pretty much all Jamaican infused flavors inside of this right now. Yeah, man. All right, guys, so this is the cornmeal and flour mixture. Give it a nice mix. I'm not gonna add no salt to it because it's self-rising, and you know, self-rising contain flour. Not flour, but salt, you know, so. And the fish is already seasoned, so we don't wanna overdo it and make it become salty, you understand? So, we're just gonna coat the fish nice and proper. And once the oil becomes nice and hot, then we'll add in, I make a little mess, but hey, we'll clean it up later. I think the oil is hot, you know, so. See it there? Yeah. Drop in the fish them. I'll go fry it till it becomes crispy. Super crispy.
Still up here.
That's all of it?
No, I have one piece left. One more piece, guys. Yeah, man. So once the first side becomes crispy, we're gonna flip it. You know, after a few minutes, and then we'll deal with the pasta afterwards. Like I said, you don't want to cook your pasta for too long, cause you're gonna cook it again in that creamy sauce. You know. As you can see, some of the breading is falling off, but we're still gonna continue the cooking process. We're not back down from it. Yeah. Come on, fish. What's going on? You're not for sure that, you know. So you're not for sure no more of that. You know, you're smelling the aroma from the garlic, you know, scotch bonnet pepper, you know, thyme, all the ingredients. Smell that? Smell nice, right? Yeah. I'm gonna try to soak up some of that flavor. All right. Then we're gonna add in our Alfredo sauce. Add a little water to it. And you know, we gotta add some seasoning. We gotta add our seasoning to it as well, or dry seasoning. Since we're dealing with fish, we're still gonna add some fish seasoning same way. Just a little bit, not too much. Just to add some nice flavor to it, guys. A little saltiness. Add some Sazon to it for that color, you know. And then we're gonna add some ginger powder to it. Add a nice flavor. This is not your typical Alfredo, you know, creamy pasta that you're gonna find at a restaurant. You know, over here at Keegan Lifestyle TV, we do it different. Yardman style, Jamaican style. Yeah. Wow. Only thing that's missing right now is that Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna add a little shredded cheese to it, and the rest is history. I might add some more pasta sauce to it, but we'll see. Just keep watching. That's that. We're gonna get the plates ready, share out the food, and the rest is history. Keep watching, and don't forget to like up the video, guys. Share the video, leave a comment. Let us know what you think about this video. Yeah, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And once you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. All right, so keep watching. All right, guys, it's a beautiful day down in a beautiful Hanover, Jamaica. Yes, man, may I tell you, if you've never visited Hanover, this is one of the parishes them where them say, you know, nothing really there. But, yeah, man, we just there go and enjoy the vibes, enjoy life, you know? Yeah, man, so this is the creamy Jamaican pasta, you know, with deep fried fish right on top, you know? Some people, you're probably like wondering why I put a little bit of pasta on the plate and pan the plate. Some people there, them not really eat much, you know, so we just give them a little bit of food. Yeah. Small bites. And guess what? We'll go eat some more later on. Same way, you know? Yeah, just some pasta. Alfredo.
You should be eating yam and banana out there.
No, I am gonna eat that.
With pasta?
No, not right now.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when me tease. Why? Yeah, a Keegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me born fist style. Girl a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile. Keegan lifestyle, out there, out there. Yeah. Keegan the hustler, me wake up early. Ambition strong, me goal them loud like a dancehall song. Money for the line, clients book all the private chef vibes.